Hello children, welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. I am Sajni Sudesh. Shall we start our computer lessons? I hope all of you are safe at home. So, what we are going to study is Chapter 1, The History of Computers. You have studied it in early classes, haven't you? Now, we'll discuss about some of the early calculating devices. That means the devices which were used before the invention of computers. Some of the pictures are given. Can you identify them? Now, shall we start? First, we'll discuss about abacus, which is very familiar to you. You have seen the device. Many of you have used also. The abacus is believed to be the first calculating device. Simple calculations such as addition, subtraction could be performed using the abacus. The abacus is used to teach school children about place values in the numbering system. Abacus also helps in teaching arithmetic operations to visually impaired students. Do you know what is meant by visually impaired? That means those children, those who can't see. It also helps to improve concentration and memorization skills of children. The next device we are going to discuss is Napier's bonds. Do you have any idea by hearing the name? Okay, Napier's bonds is a calculating device made by Sir John Napier in 1616. Why the device was so named? The device was so named because it had numbers carved on bones or on strips of wood. Now it is clear, no? It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What are these? These are the arithmetical operations. So Napier's bonds were used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can see the picture on the screen. The next device is Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator which consisted of a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers up to hundreds and thousands. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1641. Its picture is given on the screen. Did you see? Yes, you can see a rectangular box there, and there will be 8 movable wheels also on that. Next, we'll go to difference engine. Difference engine was invented by Charles Babbage in 19th century. What is the specialty of that? It was the first mechanical computer. Can you see the picture on the screen? Yes. When you get the textbook, these pictures are in the textbook and you can see it. Now, one more device, that is analytical engine. It was the first general purpose computer invented by Charles Babbage. And why it is called general purpose computer? It was because some basic elements as modern computers have, that is input, output and memory device. You all know that these are present in this analytical engine. So we can call it as a general purpose computer, and it was invented by Charles Babbage. And Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computers. Do you understand why? Because he invented analytical engine, which is the first general purpose computer. So you can see the picture of analytical engine also on the screen. Now, shall we summarize today's lesson? That is, we only studied a small portion of the first lesson, the history of computers, and we discussed about the early calculating devices. Which were the devices? The first one, abacus, which is very familiar to you. Then Napier's bones, Pascaline, difference engine, and analytical engine. Hope you understood. Next, we'll go to another topic of the same lesson. Take care. Thank you.